Which two tasks can be performed online on a Hitachi unified storage system? Choose 2. Option A. Replacing a SFP-FC host connector. Option B. Removing a drive box. Option C. Upgrading a flash memory. Option D. Replacing a controller unit. The correct answer is option A, D. What are 2 ways to restrict access to storage through a fabric? Choose 2. Option A. Use SNMP. Option B. Use zoning. Option C. Use host group security. Option D. Use port security on the switch S. The correct answer is option B, C. A customer wants to migrate Hitachi AMS data to a newly acquired Hitachi Unified Storage (HUS) system. Which statement about the migration is correct? Option A. Modular volume migration can be used. Option B. True copy or true copy extended distance can be used. Option C. The data migration license key is required on both sides. Option D. The data migration license key is only required on the HUS. The correct answer is option B. You have to replace a cache backup battery online on a Hitachi Unified Storage System. Which 2 statements are correct? Choose 2. Option A. When the power is turned off during the replacement, user data on the cache that has not been written will be backed up to flash memory. Option B. You should not perform any replacement while the green ready LED on the front of the controller box is blinking at high speed. Option C. You should only perform the replacement while the green ready LED on the front of the controller box is blinking at high speed. Option D. You must complete the replacement within a certain time frame. The correct answer is option B, D.